Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever been frustrated because your GIF moves way too fast or drags along way too slowly? Today, I am going to show you exactly how to change the frame rate of any GIF using Adobe Photoshop. This technique is a complete game changer for social media creators or anyone looking to polish their animations without third-party web tools. If you find this tutorial helpful, do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more professional design tips. Let us jump right into the workspace. The first thing you need to do is open your GIF file within Photoshop. Go to the top menu bar, click on File, select Open, and then navigate to the location of your GIF file on your computer. Once you select it and click Open, Photoshop will automatically process the data and display your animation as a series of individual frames within the timeline panel. If you do not see a timeline panel at the bottom of your screen, do not worry. Simply go up to the Window menu in the top toolbar and click on Timeline to toggle it into your view. You need to ensure that the panel is set to frame animation mode. Now, let us look at the individual timing for these frames. Underneath each frame in the timeline, you will see a small text label showing a time value, such as 0.1 seconds. This is your frame delay. To change the speed, simply click on that time value. A drop-down list will appear with various preset options. If you want a faster, punchier animation, select 0.05 seconds. If you need a more relaxed pace, you might choose 0.2 seconds, or even 0.5 seconds for a very slow, dramatic effect. But what if you have 50 frames and do not want to click them one by one? I have a shortcut for that. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, then click on the very first frame in your timeline, and then click the very last frame. This will highlight all of your frames at once. While they are all selected, click on the timing drop-down for any of the highlighted frames. Select your desired speed, and Photoshop will instantly apply that timing to every single frame in your project. This is a massive time saver. Once you are happy with the pacing, it is time to export. Go to File, then hover over Export, and select Save for Web Legacy. Make sure that the format is set to GIF, then click the Save button to choose your destination. And that is really all there is to it. You have now successfully customized the speed of your GIF entirely within Photoshop. If this video helped you improve your design workflow, please drop a like and make sure to subscribe so you never miss a future update. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.